How to redeem Steam gift cards. If you are on Steam and wondering how to redeem a Steam gift card to add funds to your account, then you've landed in the right place. In order to redeem your Steam gift cards, launch open the Steam application on your mobile device or your tablets and make sure that you are logged into your account. Once you're inside the home page, go to the top right corner of the screen and tap on the profile avatar of yours. Once you're inside this profile section, tap on Add Funds Wallet button at the top. Now, this will take you to this page where you need to click on the Wallet button at the top. Inside Wallet, you'll see an option that says Redeem a Steam gift card or wallet code. Tap on it, and on the next page, you'll see a text box where you can enter your Steam gift card number or wallet code. Carefully scratch the back of your physical gift card to reveal the code or copy the digital code that you received. Make sure that you've typed in the exact code as shown, and then once you are done, you can tap on Continue. Steam will then verify the code and instantly add the balance to your Steam wallet if the code is valid. Once redeemed, your updated wallet balance will appear at the top of the Steam store. So that is how you can easily redeem your gift card on Steam using the Steam application on your Android or iOS. If you found the tutorial to be helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Thanks for watching.